Welcome back to Finnegan again. We're going to put oil into the
engine. Yep, we're gonna pour all our oil into the engine, including the break-in vitamins and minerals.
Hi.
The first thing we need to do before we pour our oil in is we need to make sure that we get our former road draft tube, which remember has been sealed up at the top because we put in a PCV, a positive compression valve. So we need to, if we don't pour this in, the oil is just gonna pour straight out that hole and down onto the bottom of the garage. So we'll put a little bit of lubricant on it.
What's the lubricant?
Oil.
Why do you call it lubricant?
I'll let you take a couple hits on it.
What do you mean?
Well, he's asking me very quietly, Dad, can I use the hammer?
Boom, boom, boom.
So I'm responding to him
So
where everybody else can hear. Okay, start tapping on that.
I want to do it too. Can I do it?
Okay, let Raleigh. Over here and hit from this direction. I should straighten it back up. Go ahead. There we go. Can I finish it off? Why?
Why did you say why, Dad? Why did you say why?
Okay, now let's make sure that the intake manifold fits over that, which is right here. That's right. Just line it up real quick.
Yes! Bits. Think. That might fit.
Nope, you gotta hit it down further.
Can I do it?
Go ahead.
Wally.
Okay, let Raleigh.
Is he doing the rest?
You know what we should do? Hold on a second. Hold on a second.
Yeah.
This is what we have hockey pucks for.
Hockey?
Hockey! Smash it. There you go. Keep going. Real hard. Okay, let Warren hit.
Those are hockey pucks?
This is a hockey puck. Hey, hit it straight down on top.
Why do you have
There you go. There you go.
Why
Good
do you have a
hits.
hockey puck?
For instances just like this. Ah, okay, that was my finger. My turn.
Did you used to play hockey?
Nope.
Then why do we have it?
Well, we really have it. So we have something soft to lift Wilhelm with. Let's see if the Of course.
Might fit. Yeah, we'll fit.
You think?
Yeah, we'll fit.
There we go. It fits. All right. Now
through there.
we can start pouring in the oil.
Can I have this stuff?
Not that.
Oh. This stuff? This stuff?
No. This stuff. Right here.
What? Stop. Can I do it? There's a whole.
All right.
Can I do it?
Now, remember, we're being careful. We're pouring just where you see red, nothing up here, and nothing in that hole right there.
But I see red there.
Well, don't pour it on top of that.
Can
All
I
right.
do the oil?
Raleigh,
First-
there's yours. Just a second. Wait.
Oil smells bad.
Doesn't smell bad.
Can I put this?
No.
No, can I put this down?
Yes, you can put it on the floor. Okay, there's yours. Now, one thing I want you guys to do is I want you to pour it like this. Little secret for everybody. If you pour with the nozzle on the top, it won't blood. Okay?
Can I do it?
All right, go. There you go. All the way through. Okay.
Mine's all
There you
gone.
go. Now, what
Mine's
you
all gone
need to do
too.
is just let it sit right there. And it will continue to drain.
Are we gonna do it some more? Is that all?
Oh, there's one more each.
One.
I know, this is the fun part, right?
Yeah, yes. And Dad gets to do the last one, right?
Okay, remember.
Can we take him out now?
Glug, glug.
Can we take him out now?
Go ahead.
Just pouring in one spot to make sure I don't get it everywhere.
Good job.
Oh, good. It was going glug glug.
Yeah, if you go too fast, it'll go glug, glug.
But is that okay? One's streaming. If it goes glug glug, doesn't mean it's bad. It's just you don't really want it to do that sometimes.
Well, it can make a mess because it can go all over the place, right?
Glug glug.
Yeah. Okay, now, the last thing
Oil.
that Dad is going to put in, so where's that other thing of oil?
This.
Nope, the white. The vitamins and minerals.
I don't want
No, I'm good.
it. Why?
Because this is mine.
Well, it's always sticky. Can
Okay.
I touch the oil? No. That one is the sticky. We don't that hard.
Well, it's not coming up as easily as you think it should.
I can do it. I mean, as easily as like the.
There we go.
Never mind.
All right. This is, well, Lucas Oil Products, engine additive for engine break-in. You can actually get oils that are for engine break-in, but this basically converts anything like this mobile one that I got at Costco into a break-in oil because it has the zinc and phosphorus that's going to protect the valve
Ew, it smells horrible. Daddy.
valve gears and the flat tappets.
Daddy. I
and
do
all
not
that.
like the smell. Daddy.
Oh, I can't smell it.
Dad.
Oh yeah, it's a little bit strong.
Dad.
Okay, let's take these out.
Dad.
What? What?
What is the color of Finnegan beginning getting?
He's going to
green.
be dark green.
I thought it was gonna be like green.
Not neon. We're not gonna paint it neon.
Why?
Because we're not gonna paint it neon.
I would like it neon green.
Well, I wouldn't. It's my car. Ha ha!
No, I
You get your own car, you can paint it whatever color you want.
paint it rainbow.
If you want to paint it rainbow, that's perfectly fine.
Oh,
Your car, you can do whatever you want.
that would. You
All
would
right.
be famous.
We
You
have
would be
poured the
first
oil
one
in.
to have
We're
a
ready to rotate it
rainbow.
around. Here we go. Watch. Pull on that.
Right?
Pull on that.
This way.
Towards you.
Can I do it? Try. Oh, I
Okay,
think
let me
it's
do it.
locked.
No, it's not. Watch.
Oh! Can I try? Dad, can I try?
So we're gonna work. Go ahead, pull.
That's mine.
Pull,
Me?
Raleigh.
Oh.
Ooh, that does stick.
Oh, gee.
Yeah. Okay, I'll do it.
How do I do it? How can we not do it?
I don't know. Here it is.
We're not strong enough. It makes this stuff now.
Look inside, you can see the valve went up and down.
I don't see the valve.
Well, the valves are up. You're watching the tappets that are riding in the cams. See them? They don't go up very much.
The things that are moving forward. What are they doing? What are they doing with the oil?
Well, the oil is getting down in between the silver and the red, and it's lubricating. That's what oil
Ew, it
does.
smells.
Does it?
Yeah. I don't like it.
It actually kind of smells like, it's probably the phosphorus, but it kind of smells like after a firework has gone off, a smoke bomb.
Nope. And broccoli.
All right, so we've added the lubrication to the engine. Now we're gonna add the lubrication to the transmission, rear differential.
We've done.
Now is the time to put the transmission fluid in,
We get to put.
and it is gear oil.
We get to put.
But the important thing about this one is that this is GL4. Okay, I don't know what the GL stands for. I just know the number. A lot of what you'll find out there is GL4, GL5. And you don't want any of the GL, you just want GL4 because from what I understand, the GL4 does not have chemicals in it that will damage yellow metal like brass or bronze. So, and this has definitely, as we saw before, the synchronizer rings and some of the washers and bushings are definitely brass, bronze, whichever one. Yellow metal. So we want to make sure we have the GL4, which this is. So, boys, we're gonna pour it in.
We cannot go.
Get it
We cannot go past a little circle down there. Can you see it?
Where the
If you
plug,
can see it,
where the side plug.
we cannot go past it because then it would probably go right. I can't see it. It can go right into something.
All right, so his head's getting away, but you see this boss right here? That's where the plug is coming in on the side, and we only fill up to the bottom of that plug. So that way, if you take the plug out, it doesn't drain. That's just kind of an indicator of how you know you have enough fluid in your
Why is it
reservoir.
sticky? That's what would happen
Because it's
if we
gear
do
oil.
it.
Okay, you can start, Ollie. This also stinks, so do the way you do the glug glug, so you don't get glug glug. Other way. There you go. Now pour it over anything in there. Yeah, this is thick stuff.
Can I do it?
Don't worry, we're gonna have more than one.
Ew.
Yeah, it's kind of fun, isn't it?
It's gross. It looks like slime.
Kind of.
No. It looks like really wet slime.
Yeah. Okay, so we're only gonna need a little bit of the next one more.
This one's still going.
Okay, bring it closer. We're not making a mess here.
A little bit got over there.
Over where?
You're touching it?
Yeah, I'm not afraid of it.
I don't like it.
It's not a monster.
It's stinky.
Soap will
smelly.
take it off.
It's stinky smelly.
Yes, it is, and I'll just have to put my fingers in your face all night.
No. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay, now Warren, I want you to pour this very. Hey! I want you to pour this very slow. Okay, flip it up carefully. There you go.
Ew,
Okay, now go put that over.
stinky.
Go put that over in the box with the other. Okay. Now you're gonna pour the same way so you don't glug glug. No, not all of it. You go slowly, and I'll tell you when to stop. Yes. A little bit more.
It's
Side, there we go.
stinky,
Okay, slow, 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 slow.
I don't like it. Actually, I don't. Guys,
A little bit more. And stop there. Okay, no, come back over here. Come back over here. We might need some more. No, bring it back over here, Warren. We need some more.
I want to touch it.
Okay, pour a little bit more in.
I want to touch it.
Slow, slow, slow.
Sorry, was that too much?
Okay, that should be enough.
Dad, can I touch it?
You can touch what's on the edge there. Now go wash your hands.
I need to take a bath with Brett.
Yes, you can go take a bath with Brett.
Was that all?
All right.
We
So
are
now all
done
of those
for
gears,
today.
when they spin, are gonna throw gear oil around and keep everything lubricated.
And we are done for today for
But we still need
this
to do
is
the
a
rear end.
video. Oh,
Still need to do the rear end. But if you don't want to do that, that's okay.
we can do it.
We can do it? Okay, great.
And stop.
Okay, little Warren is going to fill up the rear differential with the same gear oil that we used in the transmission. Now, same thing here. The plug that he's putting it into is as high as you want to go. So go ahead and lift it up. And we filled up a bag because, you know, it's going to be awkward. Hey, be careful. Keep that inside of there. All right, so we'll fill it up until it is not dripping out like that. Warren, lift it up a little bit. There you go. All right. Okay, filling it up. It's coming out now, so we know that it is full. We'll just let it drain back into its reservoir when I get off the camera, and we'll know that it's full. I'm normally very worried about destroying things, destructively altering items. I did get the longer bolts for the engine mounts, and I test fit them. And as they fit up this way, well, actually it goes this way. There is a rubber boss on both sides, and it's supposed to fit up into the recess underneath the frame portion, right? Provides the softness that it's gonna. Rhett, there you go, thank you. Don't turn that back off. Rhett is enjoying the on-off button of the light for the camera. Anyway, but what I've noticed is with them on both sides, if you put the bolt through there, the bolt only goes that far. And as I stick it through, it only comes to the very, very surface, so I still can't get the nut on. I tried it on the front ones. They're already installed, and what works is, and maybe you're supposed to do this, and I just haven't gotten the instructions to do it, but I'm gonna cut this skinny boss off, just using an X-Acto knife, and going around all the way. And of course, careful of your thumb. Cutting this ring off. Now it's flat. Get all of this off. Now it's okay because this is still coming up against a solid surface, the solid metal surface. And this still has the rubber bushing that it's looking for. But you can now put it up and underneath, and it's proud now of the flange, whereas if you had that rubber piece in there, you couldn't engage it because it would force the head of the bolt down this far. So now it fits in there. We can put our washer on and our nut. And the instructions I did see about, there's no torque value for this. It's basically thread this down until you can get the cotter pin in, and that'll provide you with enough downward force to keep the engine in place, but give you the vibration resistance of the engine onto the frame. So there we go. I'm gonna tighten this down, put the cotter pin in, do that side, and we're done mounting the engine.